Ground teams remotely adjust conditions in real time.
Discover how astronauts grow fresh chili peppers in space today.
Seeds arrive pre-planted in a specialized science carrier.
Astronauts activate the system by carefully adding water.
Astronauts thin seedlings to give survivors more space.
The habitat uses clay substrate and slow-release fertilizers.
Automated controls manage light, temperature, and humidity precisely.
Advanced systems simulate ideal conditions in microgravity.
Seeds germinate under controlled red and blue LEDs.
Roots absorb water and nutrients without gravity.
Plants develop strong stems and vibrant leaves.
Crew monitors health and prunes for optimal growth.
Ground teams remotely adjust conditions in real time.
Flowers bloom, requiring careful pollination in space.
Astronauts provide hand pollination when needed.
Variable fans simulate wind for self-pollination.
Peppers develop rapidly after successful pollination.
Peppers ripen from green to red.
Sensors confirm optimal harvest timing.
Chili peppers ripen to red, ready for harvest.
Crew harvests fresh peppers after months of growth.
Harvested peppers stored safely in bags.
Crew celebrates successful space harvest.
Samples return for scientific study.
The future of space agriculture begins.